Hey friends, spooky season is upon us, and I know my pockets are like, not this year, and that's pretty scary within itself. But we should be able to create a very affordable way for us to achieve our creations, and I don't want you to feel set back if you're not in the financial position to spend the money on what you want to create. So that's why I am here trying to search and find different ways for us to make a really affordable way to achieve our creations. So for today, what we'll need to create this look here is some toilet paper. You'll need water, Elmer's glue, some concealer or foundation, some setting powder or finishing powder, and you'll need some brushes. And I would recommend about maybe like 2 or 3. Maybe that's a overkill, but we will be using the glue in the bristles of the brush. So this is a really good makeup brush. I don't want to ruin the integrity of it, so we're gonna play around with some brushes. And also you'll need some fake blood. If you don't have fake blood, go ahead and check out my DIY fake blood video, and you can conveniently make it at home with ingredients from your pantry. And if not, there are very affordable ways to get the ingredients to make the fake blood. And also, you can use some stippling sponges or regular sponge. And this is just to help more with texture. Totally optional. You can really achieve it with another brush. But that's totally up to you. And psst, if you have an extra sponge underneath your sink that you did not use and you're okay with cutting it up, you can do that as well. So little funsies. So let's go ahead and take a stab at this affordable and creepy Halloween look. But she used just a square of the toilet paper. It doesn't specify if it's 1 ply or 2 ply. My toilet paper at home is 2 ply, if that helps. And so she kind of did it like on the face as so, but it seemed a bit ripped. And you know what? This is our first time doing it, so we're just gonna have fun here. So now that we have this, what do you think? Let me put everything kind of like together. Not too much together, but you know, it could be like, oh my god, like look at me with some like eyeliner. Let me not smile too much because I gotta take pictures. Okay, bye. Hey friends, the finished product, what do we think? I think it came out really good. I really, really like it. I went ahead and added some blood there. I kind of wanted more blood coming in my mouth, but I was getting like too. I didn't want it to take away from the eye. This is my first time trying it. I really want to see how yours came out. I bet it came out super scary. So I want to see it. Tag me in it. And what else did I want to mention to you? Oh yeah, maybe next time I'd go a little bit more in this way because just with talking, I can almost feel like kind of wanting to lift. But if you're out and about, I would suggest maybe some eyelash glue to take with you to, if you get any like flippy floppy uppies, you can just slather it down these wowsies. And I don't know what's going on with me. I've had too much coffee, but it's fine. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun. And again, tag me in your creations. I want to see them, okay? So you're amazing. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.